In PowerPoint, you can use YouTube parameters to set a specific YouTube start time and end time. In the following steps, you will learn how to set start and end times for YouTube videos and get the required embed code. To do that, first you must go to youtube.com and find the desired video. Scroll down a bit and click on Share, and then choose the embed icon to generate an HTML code. Copy the entire string by selecting it and then click on Copy. Alternatively, you can simply right-click on the video and then select Get Embed Code. With the embed code copied, open your presentation and select the slide. Then navigate to the Insert tab, open the Insert Video drop-down menu, and select Online Video. Insert the code in the Embed Code field. Now you need to identify the start and end times of the YouTube video that you want to set. Let's say you want the YouTube start time to be 10 seconds and the YouTube end time to be 30 seconds. To achieve this, you need to include the following parameters in the embed URL. Start equals 10 and end equals 30 with the code $start equal 10 ampersand end 30. This will give you an embedded YouTube video starting at 10 seconds and ending at 30 seconds with a total runtime of 30 seconds. Click on Insert or press Enter. You may also resize the video by dragging on the corner handles. And when you press Start, it will begin and end based on what you have added in the embedded code. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.